What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be giving you 10 reasons to pick up the new T-Mobile Revvl 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. Before I start this video, if you guys have any questions or if you guys want any videos to be made on this device, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I am taking a lot of entries right now, so definitely tell me what you guys want and I'll go ahead and try to deliver that for you guys. But yeah guys, gonna be giving you 10 reasons to pick up the Revvl 5G if you guys are on the fence about purchasing this device. This video is basically just trying to give you a few more reasons to pick up this device and go ahead and pull the trigger. So we're gonna go ahead and stroll straight into this video. Alright everyone, so starting off with the first reason definitely has to be the port-in deals. So if you guys do switch from any other carrier that is not associated with T-Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile, you guys will be able to get this device for $200. Now the sad thing is, for returning customers or existing customers, you guys are going to have to pay $400. That is the full price of this device. I think that is a bit steep. Honestly, I think it still is worth the price to pick up this phone. I don't think we've really seen a budget phone like this at Metro in a while, but that's a whole $400 for this device that I would definitely not be willing to pay if I was the average buyer. But good news for anybody wanting to switch to Metro by T-Mobile. Next reason to buy this device definitely has to be the build quality and the design. Honestly, this really looks like the Pixel 4, but honestly I don't mind. Honestly, in hand this feels very premium. Love the color on this. I love the magenta ray right there, right in the middle, that kind of reflects and stuff. The build quality on this device is very nice. Obviously we get that backlit power key right there, that's super cool. But just in general, the device build and the device language is really cool. Obviously we have that hole punch notch right there, and the screen real estate was definitely better because of that. But the design quality and the build is here. This definitely feels like a premium device. Next reason to pick up this device is that we have 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and we can actually go ahead and expand that via micro SD card if you guys need any more storage. But I think 128 gigabytes, especially on a device that is $400 or even $200 when you guys do port in, is a very good storage space, and getting to expand it even more is way better. So I really couldn't ask for more on this device. I really thought it was going to come out with 64 gigabytes, but they ended up coming with the 128, so that was a great move on their part. Fourth reason is that this device has the Snapdragon 765 in it, and honestly this has been one of the snappiest experiences I've received on a device from this type of caliber. Honestly, a few other devices around this price range, such as the LG Stylo 6, the Moto G Stylus, the Moto G Power, I don't think really is as snappy as this, and I think it's because of the 765 Snapdragon processor. I really do enjoy that we have some sort of premium processor inside this device, especially for the price. Fifth reason is we have a 4,500 milliamp battery in this device. Now, not only does this device charge very quickly, but this has a huge battery in it, and this has been lasting for more than a day with me for the last few days, and I really do enjoy the battery life on this device. And for you battery heads out there that are constantly on your device, it's going to be awesome only having to charge your phone once a day and getting battery for the full day. So great battery on the Revvl 5G. Alright everyone, so the sixth reason has to be the screen. Now we have a 6.5 inch screen. This is going to be full HD, so we have a 1080p screen, and I have to say this is a really good screen. I've asked a few of my family members, a few of my friends that actually are into tech, and they say this is a great screen, especially for the price. And I feel like I have to agree with them on that. This is a fantastic screen. I feel like this is one of the better screens that you're going to see on a $400 or sub $400 phone at Metro or at T-Mobile. And we also have that hole punch right there, as I said before, and the screen real estate is very nice. Obviously we have that little thick notch at the bottom, but that really doesn't do too much. I feel like in general this is a very solid screen. Seventh reason definitely has to be that this has 6 gigabytes of RAM in this device. Now, I really did not expect 6 gigabytes of RAM paired with 765 Snapdragon processor. I feel like that's a very, very good pair. I also feel like 6 gigs of RAM is definitely going to help you with your day-to-day tasks, you know, having tons of different windows open. You're also going to be able to play high intensive graphic games very, very smoothly because of this. And honestly, they've been running very smoothly on this device. The gaming review is going to be coming out soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Really do enjoy this device and really do enjoy gaming on this device as well. 8th reason to pick up this phone definitely has to be the essential features for 2020. Now we do have NFC on this device, which we don't have on the 4 and a ton of other devices for some reason. But we have NFC on this device. We have 5G on this device. So if you guys do live in an area with 5G, this is going to work perfectly. Obviously, all of the routers are not up for it yet, or they haven't been turned on yet. So you guys are going to get 4G LTE in some areas. But we do have 5G, and it's going to be 5G ready when everything's ready. We also have a backlit power key for notifications, which I think is a really essential tool. Honestly, seeing in the past the comments left on my videos about not having a notification light has been really disheartening, and I'm glad that we have it on the Revvl 5G. I thought that was really, really cool that they did that, and I think they really listened to the people when they did that as well. The 9th reason to pick up this device definitely has to be the stereo speakers. So we do have a speaker at the bottom that is actually really, really loud. And we also have the headset utilized as the secondary speaker. So when you guys watch movies, use social media, watch YouTube videos, you guys are going to have a great experience. And it's going to be much better than a ton of other phones that are around this price range. So good job on the speakers. TCL actually made the hardware for these devices, so they actually made these phones. And they did a really good job on the speakers, I have to say. They really, really surprised me this year. And the 10th reason has to be the camera. We have some very, very clear photos on here. I don't want to give anything away because I did take a lot more photos, and we're going to go ahead and use them in another video. But I'd say the camera is very, very solid on this device, and I think most people are going to be very happy with what they get. But yeah, everyone, those are my 10 reasons to pick up the new T-Mobile Revvl 5G. If you guys have any more reasons, definitely put them in the comment section down below. Also, if there's any video you guys want me to make on this device, definitely put it in the comment section down below. I will definitely take those into consideration. Really appreciate everyone who's been active on this channel. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.